Let's see if this thing is working again. Welcome Maya Acer. I don't have any commands. Maybe if I start Atom, I may have some commands in there, but I'm not sure. I will try and work a bit on source record today. I want to add a feature where you can see if you have other source record in your scene collection. So that is what I'll be working on. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in chat. And I should be live streaming to Twitch and YouTube. So, and let's see if I miss any messages there or something. A hype train. Oh, thank you, Higher Acer, for the 10 gifted subs. I have to look here. Yeah. And it's yes. Let's start with some code. What I was thinking is if we have a source record that we put some extra information here informing you of other source records that are in your scene collection. So let's go to the source record. I think it's easy, just go to the bottom. No, the source record is not. The definition of the source is not at the bottom, it's here, and then go to the properties. And we need to add another property here. Just added it and made it invisible, but if I start it now, OBS is starting, yeah, and then we can make OBS size that you can see it all. If you go to filters now, here at the bottom, no, it's here, other source records. That is because it will when the encoder is changed, it needs to remove it and add it again to get it at the back, because OBS doesn't allow you to change the order of properties. So I need to remove the ones and add it back in the order I want them. This one here. Just copy this one. Hey, welcome on in, Andy Lippy. So now we added it here, so we now should see why should I be dancing? The property is now here, other source records, and because there is nothing set, and the translation is not set, so it's put it all in one word. Then let's see. The property is visible. Great job on move 3. Yeah, it's been a big update, but I didn't get that. I didn't get any bug reports yet, others than bugs that were already existing in Move, so that's a good sign. I didn't understand the whole remove source from MTO. Thought it would delay the transition. Not sure what you're talking about. This is a pointer. It should restore the visibility state. Move transition override. You added the blank out source selection. Yeah, so then you can add move transition override to a scene without having to select the source, so it should work for all sources in that scene. And then we wanna look through the sources. You couldn't get the effect you were after. Yeah, might be dumb. Yeah. Too many options to choose from and not knowing what to do might not be the best, but I need a list. What will I add? Can be let's initialize the list. Pass the list to the enumeration. Let's make sure we clear the list at the end. Let's make this here. This nice. Good evening, Bongo. Yeah, trying to learn from the coding. let's enumerate the sources if sources number I think I make this list of source pointers, and then here's a do. Make some text string and this is source text we want to do it is oh, what a fun. Andy, do you know how to mod? I might be able to do it. Where did they put? These, there we go. Here now. It's from TW Nosh. Great plugins, excellent work. Thank you. Thank you for the bits. Hey, welcome on in, Eto Just, and hey, Michu, and Jeronek. interesting that I now have more chatters than viewers, so I'm doing great. Just working on some improvements in source record. We keep on spamming. Why? All first-time chatters. Yeah, they can chat what they want. I put it to followers only for a minute. So. Oh, and then we get the follow bot. Let's get on with some coding. That should be working. If it's on, of course, we'll continue. I feel like with how many you have requested the feature in OBS, you've probably had this question by now. If you looked in the possibility be for output bus filters. I'm not sure what you mean with output bus filters, because for example the OBS has multiple audio tracks that can be output to physical devices via the audio monitoring plugin, or what is it specifically you're looking for? The master track for all audio tracks. Yeah. In theory, plugins cannot change that much to the audio pipeline of OBS itself. Plugins can do some things with the audio of sources, but the tracks itself is harder to do because there's no API for that. Other things than just outputting the different tracks and things like that. A limiter on the master, yeah, that's been requested, yeah, but that's not something that's doable with the OBS plugin at the moment. Yeah, if there was an API for it, there would be more possibilities, but I might look into creating an API for that in OBS, but that is a process that will take a long time before something is accepted into OBS and things like that. Welcome on in, Farmstead. What I'm making is I'm working on the source record plugin, and what I want to make is that if you have a source record filter open, that you can see what other source record filters are in your scene collection, so that you can see you have multiple of them running, because there are support questions like people don't notice that they have multiple source records running, but this if you add one, you can find the other ones. That is what this will help with. adding API to OBS sounds like a mind break waiting to happen. There are things I've added before to OBS, like for example the when you do a show and hide transition on a source in OBS. That is something I added to OBS. So there are things that are in the core of OBS that are not a plugin that are added. So it's possible, but it must be curated very well, because if everything gets added, it also needs to be maintained and things like that. So not every change makes it into the core. This should be... Hey, welcome on in. Isn't it easier if Excelder got mods? I have some mods, but they're not here at the moment. But Is there a move plugin function where it records your movements? No. There is not. How would you see that working? Like a button to start recording and then you drag around the source in OBS or something like that? Might be possible. I wonder if the reason OBS don't want to implement audio PRs, they are looking to No, they don't want to become a full DAW. Audio is more difficult than video. Because in video, if you miss a frame, it doesn't look that bad, but in audio, if you miss a bit of audio, it already sounds different. So audio is a lot harder to do than video. Let's see what kind of ID I have in here. This. So that should be working. Let's see if we get something here. Yeah, limited to 6 tracks, yeah. Why didn't it? I expected 2 sources here. Oh no, it's enumerating the sources and not the filters. We might need to do it another way. This one I need. Remove item. Where is item? The pointer item. Here. At the moment, Wavelength has more tracks than OBS has, and more capability for monitoring the audio mix. Yeah. My audio monitoring plugin I made is probably the only audio track monitoring that's possible in OBS at the moment. yeah, it would have to be core OBS dev stuff to make it possible to access for plugins or make it directly all in OBS core itself. Somehow I wonder how you could remember stuff if there's not even a single command block on the code. I just read the code and the code explains me everything. I find reading code much easier than reading text. So I would rather read code than, for example, even your chat messages. It's really strange, but that is how I am. The code is much more structured for me, and I like everything structured. Get something here. Yeah, that looks to be good. Make it an if statement. Also set get settings from this one. I use your audio monitor plugin and it helps a lot at the Mac OS side. Mac and the PC, Rode Duocaster 80 Mini Pro. Yeah, it helps a lot if you can do some audio monitoring. Yeah. This must be OBS data. Settings. This we got others. And then we do sources text.array. I've tried voice meter a long time ago. It wasn't working out for me, so why is this not highlighted? It should be okay. Let's make sure we don't have a memory leak here. Use that breakpoint now because I should be able to see other source records, video capture device, source record 2, and here it should be video capture device source record. So that is working. Let's make the translation of the other source records. So we have one here now. Let's add another one. That is all working. And if I remove this one and this one, I go here, then it's not visible. If I add another one, yeah. Hi, welcome on in Chess Focus. So that seems to be working. Let's see if we need to up the version. I think so. This is a minor change. So it would be 0.3.5. Alpaca snack pack, welcome on in. It's here. We changed the version to 0.35. This is also version to 0.35. I added one translation. I added this one. And here, this change can be shown here. This change can be moved. This is correct. This can be removed. Initialize sources text. That is correct. See if the formatting is still okay. That needed small change. I sent you a little something. Thank you very much. Every little bit helps to make keep me able to do this kind of stuff. Let's see it. Let's see if this is building. Yeah. So that is building, and let's see if so if none of you have any questions, I'm gonna end the stream in a bit, so let's find somebody. Yeah, I'm done for today. I was thinking it would take a bit more time to add this feature, but yeah, a bit of a shorter stream. It's okay. It's like 10:15 here, so it's a nice time to call it a day. If any of you have any suggestions for somebody to rate, up for that. Otherwise, I'll pick some random. I see Mr. Crackles is streaming. Let's start the raid up for that. Working. Yep. I will see you all another time.